If you've ever bought a budget slow cooker and ended up with uneven cooking, watery stews, or cleanup that somehow takes longer than the actual meal, you already know the frustration. A lot of affordable slow cookers promise convenience, but after a few uses, they either feel flimsy or become one more appliance collecting dust in the kitchen. That's why the Ovente Electric Slow Cooker caught my attention, because it's trying to keep things simple without feeling cheap. This is the Ovente 3.7-quart electric slow cooker, and it's aimed at smaller families, busy professionals, college apartments, and anyone who wants easy home-cooked meals without spending a fortune. It focuses on the basics: reliable slow cooking, easy cleanup, and enough capacity for everyday meals without taking over your counter space. You can find the direct link to this product right in the description. The first thing you notice is the clean stainless steel exterior. It has a simple silver finish that feels more modern than a lot of entry-level slow cookers. And because the design is pretty compact, it fits comfortably even in smaller kitchens. The oval shape is also more practical than it sounds because it gives you enough room for larger cuts of meat or layered meals like lasagna without making the cooker bulky. Overall, it feels lightweight but still sturdy enough for regular weekly use. The removable stoneware pot feels solid, and that matters because cheaper slow cookers sometimes use inserts that feel overly thin or fragile. Here, the pot holds heat nicely and cooks evenly across most recipes. The glass lid also helps more than expected because you can quickly check progress without constantly lifting the top and releasing heat. Little things like that make cooking less annoying during busy evenings. Using this slow cooker is honestly about as straightforward as it gets. There are only 3 settings: low, high, and warm. No digital screen. No complicated presets. No confusing buttons. And for a lot of people, that simplicity is actually the biggest advantage. You throw in your ingredients before work, turn the dial, and come home to dinner already finished. It handles staples like chili, soups, pulled pork, oatmeal, stews, and dips really well without requiring constant attention. In real-world cooking, the heat consistency is surprisingly solid for this price range. Foods cook slowly and evenly without scorching around the edges, and the warm setting does a good job keeping meals ready to serve without drying them out. That's especially useful for families with unpredictable schedules or casual gatherings where people eat at different times. It also runs quietly in the background, so you're not dealing with loud clicks or fan noise while it cooks. Cleanup is another area where this cooker keeps things practical. The stoneware insert and glass lid are dishwasher-safe, and because the interior is naturally non-stick enough for most slow-cooked meals, cleanup usually doesn't become a huge chore. Even thicker recipes like chili or cheesy dips don't require excessive soaking afterward. That convenience makes it easier to actually use the cooker regularly instead of avoiding it because the cleanup feels annoying. Now, to be fair, this isn't trying to compete with premium multi-cookers or high-end smart kitchen appliances. You won't find programmable timers, pressure cooking, steaming functions, or app connectivity here. And if you cook for large groups regularly, the 3.7-quart capacity may feel limiting. But for couples, smaller households, or meal prep, it hits a nice middle ground between capacity and convenience. Compared to similarly priced slow cookers from brands like Crock-Pot or Black+Decker, the Ovente stands out mostly because of its balance. It keeps the controls simple, the design compact, and the performance consistent without adding unnecessary complexity. Some competitors offer more digital features, but they also tend to feel more cluttered or harder to use for basic cooking. This one sticks to doing the essentials well. Overall, the Ovente Electric Slow Cooker feels like a solid choice for anyone who wants reliable slow cooking without overspending or overcomplicating dinner. It's compact, easy to use, easy to clean, and practical enough for everyday meals. If you're looking for a budget-friendly cooker that still feels dependable, this one is definitely worth considering. If you want to check current pricing or availability, the link is down in the description. And if this review helped you out, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.